Hello, good morning from Iceland Highway. Yesterday I was middle of Campbell River in Camoes Valley. Now I am going back to Victoria. That's almost 250 kilometer. So that's when you are coming Iceland Highway. That is a coastal line. There's 19 that you can use the big highway, but this is along with the coast. Where you will see the ferry terminal, boats, yachts, and lot of beautiful tourist spot. So that's why I took it. It's little one-way track surrounded by beautiful and amazing this natural forest as well, and some part you will see. So it is almost 100 kilometer here from Nanaimo.